Ayan. Parang it's bigger na. Ayan. Margarine. You may use margarine or butter. But since I only have here margarine, so I'm gonna use it. Just spread it. Get the mixture in it. One. Ay, okay na rin ang ano eh. Okay na rin yung almost half.
Green.
Spread it.
Now we spread it evenly. We'll just spread it out.
And then...
No. Yeah. And so we put eggs.
Okay. 1, 2, and then we have to put eggs. 1, 2, 3. I think 4 is enough. Yeah. And then wrap it, roll it, and then like this enough. That's it, and roll it. Okay. Here, one down. Okay, can you do it?